So obviously the next 20 minutes, half an hour, will be a quick overview of Teams services that could be useful for you. My colleague Charlie has joined us, and he's in the chat with us right now, and he can be answering any questions that you have. So I'm just going to work my way across here first and actually demonstrate or talk about some of the different things that the buttons do. First of all, we've got the participant screen here. So if I press it again, that will show all the people in the room. So we can see here everyone's in the room and everyone's on mute. I have the ability to mute all as well, which can be quite useful if there's a lot of people in the room. Second of all, I can invite people to the room. And then finally, you have the option around the recording as well. Obviously, I've recorded this system or recorded this call today, but that can be really useful because, you know, it can be used as a way to reference back what people said, but equally it can be used for training. And then later on, I'm going to show you some of the great things that Microsoft allow in terms of searching the recording. I can create contact groups, I can create contacts, and I can talk to them very quickly. And this is quite useful because, you know, I might not want to send them an email, but I might just have a very quick question. And, you know, an email is a bit overkill, whereas a quick message isn't. And, you know, we traditionally might use WhatsApp groups or message groups or something else. But obviously, when we're talking about work-related stuff, we want to keep work-related stuff in the work channel. You know, and if you keep it as part of Microsoft, it's all searchable, it's all GDPR compliant, it's secure, and you know it kind of makes a real clear difference between this is personal stuff and this is business stuff. The calls feature we use here at Cloudy, and it integrates your phone system with your with Microsoft Teams, which is really useful. So what you can do is you can see here I've got a phone number, and from that number you can then receive phone calls, and I can make phone calls as well. So, you know, suddenly, you know, you've got to work from home. It doesn't make any difference. Someone rings the office number, it will call the correct people, you know, at home with their Teams, Microsoft Teams, and you know, there's less bits of hardware, less bits of software, less training as well. So from here, we have all the files that are related to marketing. Okay, so suddenly, you know, I'm in the marketing department. I don't have to worry about where to find stuff. I just go to the marketing, go to files, and here is all of our marketing files. So if I go to COVID-19, we've got all of the updates that are going out to our customers. I can then click on one of these and we can see that people have been editing them. Customer update, which was done 5 days ago. I can open up that document. You can edit the document within Teams, that's quite useful, but equally you can actually go up here and you can open up the document in the app as well. So if you're more comfortable using Word, you can use it in Word. I can actually give control to my screen to Charlie. So Charlie can then accept it, and you should be able to see Charlie moving around my screen. So that can be really useful if we're working on a file and he wants to highlight something or select it. He can do it, and we can sort of have a discussion in as real sort of real time as possible, which is really useful.
David.
Yeah, thank you, Cheryl.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks very much.
Well, thanks very much, everyone, and look after yourselves. Take care.